Dear friends, in the previous classes, we have already discussed about Swara Sandhi, vowel joining. And today's matter of discussion will be Vyanjana Sandhi, that means consonant joining. Joining on the basis of a consonant is called consonant joining. व्यंजन संधि व्यंजन में स्वर या व्यंजन के संयोग से होने वाले संधि को या परिवर्तन को व्यंजन संधि कहते हैं। अर्थात व्यंजन वर्ण के बाद किसी स्वर या किसी व्यंजन के कारण से संधि में जो परिवर्तन होता है उसे व्यंजन संधि कहते हैं। दैट मीन्स the joining occurs after a consonant. Either the next letter may be a vowel or a consonant. The activity, the change, the joining will be called व्यंजन संधि अर्थात consonant joining. So व्यंजन संधि has been divided into 6 parts. First one is अनुस्वार संधि, second is णत्व संधि, third one is जस्त्व संधि, then स्तुत्व संधि, and then रलोपः, and the last one is लत्व संधि. So let us discuss the first kind of व्यंजन संधि, that is अनुस्वार संधि. The rule for अनुस्वार संधि made by Maharshi Panini, that is म स्थाने अनुस्वारः हलि परे, अर्थात हलंत म के स्थान पर अनुस्वार हो जाता है हलि अर्थात व्यंजन वर्ण के परे अर्थात बाद में होने से. If a consonant comes after a halant ma, then the halant ma gets turned into an anuswar. Here you can ask a question that what are the other cases where ma is not supposed to be changed into anuswar. So the cases are either a vowel or no letter. If a vowel or no letter comes after halant ma, then halant ma is not supposed to be changed. Only if a consonant comes after halant ma, then the halant ma gets changed into anuswar. So now let us go through a few examples. Let me repeat the rule once more. यदि पूर्व पद के अंत में म आए और उसके बाद कोई भी व्यंजन हो तो म को अनुस्वार हो जाता है. So these are the examples. One is लेखम लिख, another is ग्रामम गच्छति. लेखम लिख, there is a halant ma at the end of the word lekham, and the next letter is la, and that's why the halant ma is supposed to be changed into an anuswara. Similarly, in the next example, gramam, there is a halant ma at the end of the word gramam, and the next letter is ga, and this is why halant ma in the word gramam is to be changed into an anuswara. Lekham, the word lekham ends with a halant ma, and the next letter in the word likha, that is la. La is a consonant, and that's why ma is to be turned into an anuswara. The word was lekha, and ma is to be changed into anuswara, a bindu. And then the word likha is to be written directly. So the new and the joined word will be lekham likha. Halant ma has been turned into anuswara. Similarly, gramam, there is a halant ma at the end of the word gramam, and the next letter is ga, then a cha. Ga is a consonant, and the rule was that if a consonant comes after halant ma, then halant ma is supposed to be changed into anuswara. So let us add an anuswara to the word, that is gramam, then gacha. This should be written directly. This is how lekham likha gets changed into lekham likha, and gramam gachati gets changed into gramam gachati. Simply, now this is to be understood that if a consonant comes after a halant ma, then the halant ma is supposed to be changed into anuswara, and that's why this kind of sandhi is called anuswara sandhi. And all these activities take place due to a consonant. That means the first letter of joining occurs between these two letters, and the first letter between these two letters will be this one. And that's why, because the first letter is a consonant and this is also a consonant, that's why this kind of sandhi is named after the word consonant vyanjana, and the sandhi is called as vyanjana sandhi. So this much for today, and a few examples will be given after this, and you are supposed to solve them. Thank you.